Hey guys, it's Cody here at Gogs Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we got a fun one. We got a 377 RLBH. It is Jayco North Point. It's one of their luxury fifth wheels. We'll do a walk around the outside and then we'll head to the inside, show you all the features. So new reimagined, redesigned front cab here for the North Points this year. New color scheme. Really nice looking fifth wheel. Up front here you'll notice you've got the MoRide pin box, and then you have your storage compartment here in the front. This is going to house your electric jacks, so the motor for the jacks, and then you've got space down there for 4 batteries. This is not generator prepped, does not have a generator. Got a slide out here, electric slide out for the bed. First compartment here is going to house your two 30-pound propane cylinders. Then you've got your regulator and your 12-volt cutoff there. This does have a 6-point auto level system. Second door here, this is going to house halfway for your pass-through, 50 amp power supply, your fresh drinking water system, your control center here, auto level, outside shower, and then you do have a filter built right into this for any water going inside the camper. Also have your black and gray tank valves up out of the weather here. You got a 10-gallon gas electric hot water heater, furnace, another slide out here. The other access panel here, this is going to be for the back of the residential refrigerator, just in case you ever need any service. Walk around to the back. This is where you're going to find your 50 amp power supply here, your roof ladder, backup camera, and side cameras already on. You got a hitch down here, 4-point wiring, frameless windows. Cable satellite output here on the door side of the trailer, along with 2 outlets down here. First of 2 awnings with the LED light strip underneath. MoRide steps, extended grab handle here. The other Solera awning. Outside speakers here. Then you've got a spray port so you can spray off the steps before you flip them in. Rinse off feet, stuff like that. First baggage door here, magnetic baggage door holders. And you got your outside kitchen. So nice little mini fridge. And then you do have this tray here that'll slide out your Blackstone griddle. Jayco doesn't have the Blackstones right now. You get a voucher for that when you purchase it. Pass-through storage here. Lots of room. This is where you're going to see the vac, your solar controller there, and then you got the outside television. Then this space here is for an extra propane cylinder. They don't have the hookups for it, but you can bring another one with you. Next we'll walk inside and show you around there. We'll give you a quick overview as we walk in. and then we'll start talking about the features. So as you walk in, this is where you're going to find your light switch control panel for the J command. We'll just hit number 1 right now. That'll turn on all our inside lights. Little storage area here. This is kind of neat. Got a little closet here, adjustable shelves. You can also take them out and hang stuff from it, but then it also goes into that private bedroom as well, so you can grab stuff from both sides. Alright, so looking around, there's a lot of new stuff in the 22 year. You got the residential refrigerator. These are pretty common on the big North Points. You do have the ice maker as well. New to North Point this year is the new Insignia 4-burner residential cooktop and oven. Give you a look there. It is a really nice size oven. Should have no problem putting in like a full turkey, stuff like that. 4-burner cooktop. You got the iron up top there. You got the huge LG microwave here. This does have light on the bottom and a vent fan as well. Little rack up top. Lots of storage here. Drawers. 80-pound ball bearing guide drawers. Trash can. Little storage drawer down here that you can pull out. Solid surface countertops. Do have one large sink with the roll-up dishes, dryer, and cutting board. Nice pantry with the automatic light as soon as you open it up. You got your entertainment center here with the flame electric heater, fireplace, JBL soundbar, and then new this year they've also installed a smart TV here in the living room area with the electric lift. Overhead storage. Some more overhead storage. You've got a trifold sofa here in the back, along with your theater seating. These are electric controlled theater seats, so you've got lights underneath, and you can also run them in and out from here. Center console flips down. You got 2 cup holders and a little charging station with a 110 outlet and 2 12-volt USBs. You've got your table here with the built-in leaf. Also 2 folding chairs underneath the bed in the bedroom. And then you do have a power tower here as well. So you could plug in anything right here, leave it on the shelf, makes it real nice. Alright, so off of the kitchen here, behind this barn door, you have a control for the ceiling fan. And then behind the barn door here, you've got your little private office. television. Light switches are tucked up underneath here. You've got your own speaker system in here, so they can have their own radio. This does have the DVD player right to the television. Nice little desk, plenty of drawers, some more drawers off to the side here. And then, as I said before, this passes through into that closet. You've got a trifold couch here, make a full-size bed. It does have a little table that hooks into the floor as well, so they can use this for an eating place. You've got the bunk that folds down from above the bed. Going up to the hallway now. Down here is where you're going to find your in-floor vac, so you pop that open, sweep all your dirt into there. Motion light here, your power inverter controller. You have a little ladder here for the loft. Loft up here, lots of room, has TV hookup, light switch, little shelves over there, metal railing. Very nice bathroom in the 22 North Points. Lots of upgrades. A little shower rack, hang towels, stuff like that. A little closet. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Nice stand-up shower. Nice backing. Have a seat that folds up as well. A mirror. Nice sink. Also have a max air fan in here. Vented AC through the roof, so this does have 3 air conditioners. They're all 15K ACs. King size mattress here in the bedroom on the slide out. Nice his/her closet. You do have washer dryer prep station here, so you take out a couple shelves, put in a washer and dryer. Motion detected lights. Lots of room in here. You have the hidden top here and 4 drawers for a dresser. Another television here in the bedroom. All throughout the coach you'll see these little controllers. You could turn off all the lights and stuff from in your bedroom here. There's one on the right hand side of the bed as well. Windows for that cross-air ventilation. And then you got a nice window right above your head there. That's a new touch. Give you another quick overview of everything from the hallway. Alright, so if you have any questions about the 22 Jayco North Point 377 RLBH, you can reach us at Gogs Camperway email here. It's sales@Gogs Camperway. Or you can give us a phone call at 1-800-714-7895. Again, my name is Cody, and thank you for watching.